Hey there! Welcome back to Kellum Law Firm's YouTube channel. We represent clients throughout North Carolina and have done so successfully for over 50 years. Today, we're talking about catastrophic injury claims, the kind of cases that change lives forever. These aren't bumps and bruises. These are the life-altering injuries that come with enormous medical costs, long recoveries, and impacts that ripple through every part of a person's life. So what exactly counts as a catastrophic injury? We're talking about severe spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, amputations, burns, paralysis, injuries that keep you from returning to work, or even from living the life you had before. They're devastating not just physically, but financially and emotionally too. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. Insurance companies treat catastrophic injury claims very differently. Because the payouts are so large, these claims get extra scrutiny. Every detail is questioned. Every medical record is combed through. They'll look for pre-existing conditions, argue about whether your treatment was necessary, even suggest that your injuries aren't as severe as your doctors say. And while that sounds harsh, it's exactly what insurers are trained to do: protect their bottom line. The bigger the claim, the more resistance you're going to face. But here's the flip side. Catastrophic injury claims also allow for broader compensation. You're not just talking about hospital bills. You may be entitled to lifetime medical care, home modifications, lost earning capacity, and damages for pain, suffering, and loss of quality of life. These are cases where experienced legal representation isn't just helpful, it's critical. Without it, you risk being outmaneuvered by a team of adjusters and lawyers who do this every single day. And let's break that down a little further. Lifetime medical care doesn't just mean doctor's visits. It could mean in-home nursing, specialized rehab, or costly equipment like wheelchairs and adaptive vehicles. Home modifications aren't just ramps and railings. They can include widening doorways, restructuring bathrooms, or even moving to an entirely different house that can accommodate long-term disability needs. Lost earning capacity can mean decades of wages and benefits that you'll never be able to collect, not to mention the promotions and opportunities that would have come with them. And then there's the human side. Pain and suffering isn't just legal jargon. It's the day-to-day reality of living with constant pain, the emotional weight of no longer being able to pick up your kids, or the strain on relationships when one partner becomes a full-time caregiver. These damages are very real, and they're often the largest piece of a catastrophic injury claim. That's why insurance companies fight so hard. Every dollar they pay out on these claims can be a dollar they don't report to their shareholders. And they know the average person without strong representation doesn't have the time, energy, or expertise to fight them back point by point. So if you or someone you love has suffered a catastrophic injury in an accident, don't try to go it alone. Understand that the stakes are high, the fight will be tough, and the insurance company is not your friend in this process. If you found this breakdown useful, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need this information. We post regular content to help accident victims in North Carolina understand their rights and get the compensation they deserve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Visit us at kellumlawfirm.com for more information.